In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a photo background using Canva in just a few easy steps. Whether you're looking to refresh an image for a presentation, a social media post, or just want to experiment creatively, altering backgrounds can completely transform the look and feel of your photos. And don't worry, this process will only take about 5 minutes. So let's get started. First, open the image you want to edit in Canva. Once it's on your canvas, click on the image to select it. This will bring up the editing options on the toolbar where you can access a variety of tools to modify your photo. Next, locate the background remover tool. And keep in mind that this feature is part of Canva Pro, so you'll need a subscription to use it. If you don't have it yet, Canva offers a free 30-day trial, which is perfect for trying out this feature. Click on Background Remover and let Canva work its magic. Within seconds, the background will disappear, leaving you with a clean, transparent image ready for a new backdrop. Now it's time to add your new background. Head over to the Elements tab on Canva's side panel. Here you'll find countless images and visuals that can enhance your design. In the search bar, type in background to see a wide variety of options from landscapes to abstract patterns. Browse through until you find the one that fits your vision. Click on your chosen background to add it to your canvas, then adjust its size or position as needed. For a perfect fit, right-click the background image and select Set Image as Background. This ensures your new backdrop sits neatly behind your main subject. Finally, preview your design to make sure everything looks just right. Make any additional tweaks, like adjusting colors or resizing elements, until your image looks polished and professional. And there you have it, a fresh, vibrant background for your photo using Canva, achieved in just a few minutes. With this simple method, you can easily experiment with different styles and create endless design possibilities.